So guys, any website is activated robot.txt file, how we can check this option? So in a website, easily we can check the file updated for website. How we can check for website? After .com, we enter for robot.txt. This will be spelling will be robots.txt. So the file will be confirmly generated. So same this file, how we can checking for Google Search Console option. Previous direct option will be there, robo.txt checker will be there. Now how we can check option will be here. In this we can go to option will be in the tools for the report option. Click for learn more. The showing for help button. In this you can search for robots. Just you can check. Here will be showing for text your robot.txt file with the robo.txt texture. Click here and open your texture. In this, what are the website you have? Just select the website. The showing for is have robo.txt file will be there or not. The showing for Google cut search console option. This compulsory we know about this URL. The URL will be, I'll give this option will be there. I'll write down this URL on your notepad. Just note down this URL. Google.com slash webmaster slash tool slash robots hyphen testing hyphen tool. This URL we can check for that website have robots.txt file is there or not on Google search console purpose. And website purpose double dot I can writing some dummy domain name slash robots.txt. This will be website checking purpose. This file compulsory important on your website will be indexing on search engine purpose.